We are in an Engenius Wave 2 wireless access point. I'm going to discuss the different types of security modes. So when we go into our main page, we're going to see basically an overview device status. So as soon as you log in, this is what you get. However, if you go to Network Wireless and then you scroll down to where it says Security, you can click on Edit. Now this is true of both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. They both have their own separate edit buttons. So if you're going to use both, make sure you edit both of them. Go ahead and click Edit. And from here, we'll open up a new page. So let's go ahead and do that again. And there's the different security modes. So we've got disabled, which you don't want to do because that leaves you with no security. Then you've got the WEP, which is the Wired Equivalency Protocol, which is no longer secure. It is very easily hacked. WPA, which is also something that has been cracked, and that's the pre-shared key option, but it's still better than WEP just by a little bit. Then you've got the WPA2 pre-shared key, and that's the one I definitely recommend that you use for most homes and small businesses. Then you have the WPA pre-shared key mixed. Again, that has been cracked. I don't recommend it. It's an older technology. Then you have several different WPA enterprise options. You have WPA, 2, and mixed. These are to be used with a radius server and possibly a certificate. So you can use either the certificate or the pre-shared key option, but you still need a radius server. Now, radius servers can be on lots of different switches, routers, firewalls, or servers. So if you have a server, then you can choose this option and set up radius authentication. However, for home and small businesses, you can just go with the WPA2 pre-shared key. Now, once you pick that, you have an encryption option. So let's go ahead and choose that. You have three different options here. One is TKIP and AES, AES, or just TKIP. So you want to go with AES rather than TKIP or TKIP plus AES because that uses an older type of encryption which has been cracked, whereas AES has not been cracked theoretically. So you have the best chance of being safe if you choose WPA2 PSK and encryption of AES. Then go ahead and type a complex passphrase. And it wouldn't be a bad idea to add some numbers and some various different symbols and things like that. So once you get all that, you can go ahead and choose Save. And you'll find some symbols it won't let you do. So even though I went crazy there with the symbols, you may want to choose some exclamation points, things like that. And then go ahead and save it and apply it, and then that'll be your new passphrase, and that should be a lot more secure than some of these other options.